This is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing, and today we're going to talk a little bit about your swamp coolers and when you might need to get that old rust bucket replaced. And the first sign that you're going to be having problems and having to replace it fairly soon is when you turn it on, it blows out a bunch of dirt, but it'll actually start blowing out chunks of rust. That's a sign that the squirrel cage inside the swamp cooler is getting rusted out and it's starting to flake off. Another sign is it's making a lot more noise than it used to. That could be the bearings going out, that could be the motor going out, that could be the squirrel cage not spinning in a true condition, where it's just a little wobbly. So the signs you want to look for is rust, loud noises, and it's just not cooling the way it once did. And it's also a great opportunity when your swamp cooler is ready to be replaced to go ahead and bite the bullet and get switched over to refrigerated air. Believe me, you will like it so much better. This is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing, and have a cool summer. Thank you.